guys, this is your destination and I am Kshitij, and today after a lot of time we have unboxing on our channel and a really special one. So today we are going to unbox this Osmo Mobile 3. This is a gimbal from DJI and the price quoted on the box is 9,999, as you can see. And I got this gimbal for 9,000. I got 1,000 rupees off on this gimbal. So let's cut the plastic over here. So now we have removed the plastic from this box, and as you can see we have the DJI branding. And what else we have in the box? We have the gimbal, the power cable, the storage pouch, and the strap for this gimbal to hold it in your wrist over here. So, and this is the QR code for scanning, so you can download the application on your mobile device, and this is the photo of the gimbal. So yeah, now let's cut the seal over here. Here we have the gimbal itself. Really nice packaging, I have to say. The gimbal is packed really good. Let's keep the gimbal to the side and let's see what else we have in the box. So you can see over here we have one more box inside, and let's open this box also. So yeah, this is the strap which I was talking about. You can keep it in your wrist so that the gimbal doesn't fall, and if it falls it doesn't let go from your hand. So this is the pouch in a nice plastic bag. This pouch is of really high quality. Initial impressions looks really good, and it has the Osmo branding and the DJI branding on it. So it's a good quality pouch of soft velvety material. And now here we have the charging cable. As you can see, it's a USB type C. That's really good. You have a USB type C charging cable. Let's keep that also to the side, and let's see what else we have over here. I don't know what is this. Here are some rubber padding. I have to check it out. What is it? What are those pads for? And these are the user manual and the paperwork. Now let's keep everything to the side, and that's it we have in the box. Now let's see the gimbal. So as you can see, gimbal is also in a nice pouch. Wow. And initial impressions, it looks really good. You have the DJI branding over here. You have a nice foam paper over here so it doesn't scratch. Here we have the charging port. As you can see, here are the controls. This is the on off button, and here are some information how to use it. So I will set up my phone and applications on my mobile, and I will catch you guys later. So now I've done the setup for this gimbal, and I've downloaded the mobile app also on my mobile, and I just saw these pads. These are anti-slip pads to install in this hinge where the mobile is there. So if your mobile is sliding, you can install these pads so it will not slide. I have installed my mobile, but I am not facing any sliding issues, so I'm not going to install this pads for the moment, and I'm going to keep it to the side. So guys, this gimbal has this tripod mount also over here. So this gimbal has a tripod mount. You have a screw socket over here, and you get a branded DJI tripod also, portable tripod. This is a normal tripod. The DJI tripod comes with the combo pack, and it's roughly charged more than 1,000 rupees, and you get a carrying case also for that. But I think it's really overpriced and unnecessary. So I had a tripod at home, so it's just 100 rupees. So I can install that tripod on this gimbal for now, so I can explain you well. So if you guys are buying it, I'll suggest that don't go with the combo pack and just go for the gimbal instead. It will save you a lot of money, and you can go and buy a 100 rupee tripod from the local market. That will be quite useful. So as you can see, you have a soft velvety paper over here. So to protect this hinge over here, so it doesn't scratch to the body, and you have a USB Type C port over here, and you have a normal USB port over here. So if your mobile's battery is low, you can charge the mobile with this power outlet. And this M is the power on off button, and just then power on off, it does many other things also. As you saw, I clicked it once and it is showing me the battery life over here. One click, so it is half charged. And this is for the camera, and this is the joystick to move the crane, which is over here, so you can take smooth shots with that. And this is W and T, so this is for zoom and everything. Here you have the Osmo branding, and here you have the DJI branding over here, and you have to install your phone over here. And here below here is the active button, so for the sports mode and changing the camera angles. And here you have some instructions given. So now I'll open this. So for opening it, you need to pull this like. So guys, now I've changed the camera angle so you guys can see it well. So as you can see, these are the controls. This M is for turning it off and on. This is your joystick for moving this crane, and this is the record button. And here is the T zoom and W zoom. This is for zoom in, zoom out, and this is the launch button. So to activate sports mode and to change the camera from front to back. So now let's turn it on. Now it's on. As you saw, it is connected to my mobile. Let me unlock the mobile. So now we are in the DJI Mimo app. As you can see over here, we are in the DJI Mimo app, and we have a lot of battery. So now I'll remove this tripod for my ease of showing you the gimbal. So as you can see, the video recording is started, and with the joystick I can move the gimbal up and down, as you can see. So it's pretty smooth, and I'm hoping for a lot of smooth cinematic shots. And I've purchased this gimbal for 10,000 rupees. My new segment, I'm starting motor vlogging. So for that I want to do some cinematic shots while recording cars. So I have purchased it for that, and let's hope that it performs really good, and I get really good cinematic shots for our YouTube channel. So now if you want to change the mode to landscape, you just double tap on this M, and again double tap on M for portrait mode. Landscape is better, I feel. So yeah, and with this joystick you can do everything. So with the mobile app, now I'll turn the main camera on, and for activating sports mode you click this button for once, and then second time long press, so the sports mode gets activated. So 1 and 2. So now sports mode activated, as you can see. And in sports mode you can do fast shots like this, and if you click on this record button you can click photos. So now again I turn on the front facing camera and click one selfie of me. So again we got a selfie over here, and now let's zoom with this T zoom. As you can see, I've zoomed myself, and again now zoom out. So now I'll show you some cinematic shots which I've taken from this gimbal. So now I'm just walking around so you can judge the stability of this gimbal, and initial impression, it looks really nice and really good. And now this shot which I'm taking is with the help of the joystick, and I'm moving the gimbal with the help of the joystick to take these smooth panoramic shots, and as you can see they look really good and smooth. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. This is Shitish signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.